Never did anything, NDA.
Okay.
Public have punished Modi.
5 crore of Indians is taking the responsibility of 150 crores. Why? We don't see enough development happening. We are happy paying tax, but the development should be proper.
The country awaits this year's union budget, and the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be presenting this year's 2024-25 union budget this July 23rd. So will Nirmala Sitharaman give some relief to middle class and salaried class people this time? We don't know. And what are all the expectations of the public? Let's go talk to the Bengalurians and see what are their expectations. Sir, so union budget is coming up. So what are all your expectations as a citizen?
I'm just thinking that they should relieve some tax benefits to the middle class employees who is working in a corporate, so that we'll get more earnings, so that will be easy for us to survive also. Because currently, if you see, the inflation is going very high, right? So I feel that there should be some concession on those.
Nothing, everything will go up.
Okay.
Because 3 elections are coming, Maharashtra, Jharkhand and Haryana. They may reduce, they'll increase it to 7 lakhs budget, that's all. I don't think anything else they'll do.
5 crore of Indians is taking the responsibility of 150 crores. Why? What about the others? We are paying direct taxes at 30%. Then we are paying VAT, not the VAT, now GST, right?
Yeah, GST.
Everything we are doing, we are paying taxes. Even you buy a pencil, you go in that tax, right? In spite of spending 30% of our income directly to them. So once you get a hike or a rise or a raise, whatever you say, instead of getting 100%, it's a 70% always. You give away 30%. Where does it go? Leverage on people paying taxes. Okay. Because it's the taxpayers' money which is going for development. We don't see enough development happening. We are happy paying tax, but the development should be proper. Otherwise, let us save more money and make lives more comfortable for us.
Do you think it's going to happen that salaried class will be happy this time from the union budget?
I'm not really sure, because this time the NDA government is there, right? Last time it was a whole BJP government was there.
Yeah.
Now it is NDA. I'm skeptical this time, not sure.
Likely to be, because this is the first budget after this new government. Not new government, Modi 3.0.
Yeah.
Likely to be good smile on face.
There will be a relief, but we don't need any relief. The thing is that if it is equally, uniformly distributed among all the sections, be it, they might charge 5% of the income of the poor people. But at least they would feel that they are responsible for the development of India, the entire country. So that is also, to include them, make them inclusive. It's not about we are getting charged 30%. It's about make them included in everything. I don't think so, because middle class and salaried class are the maximum taxpayers. So they are going to be stiff on us. We don't mind, but then we need to see development happening.
Yeah, that was my next question actually. So last time it was BJP, now the vote percentage has come down. Do you think Modi is going to punish the people for it?
I don't believe, because I gave him a vote because of that only.
Okay.
And I feel that I think this time also it will be good.
We are not the rulers. We always follow people. That's it. Even there is no Congress, BJP here. It's about a leadership. You're following a leader, right? Same. No. The good thing about Modi government is whatever development is done in the last 2 tenures, he'll probably take it forward. And I am from the manufacturing industry, so Make in India is further going to grow. And besides that, ancillary industries will also grow. So growth on making India better as a manufacturing hub is definitely going to happen. But he needs to do other things also.
It's NDA. Do you think BJP is going
Never
to...
did anything, NDA.
Okay. Do you think Modi is going to punish the public for... No.
Public have punished Modi without... the sting is gone from BJP now, after he didn't get a majority.